Okay. Earlier, I have said that sound is more like a wave, right? So, in this video, we shall see that in detail. Okay. Say a structure which is vibrating, and as a result of the vibration, it will create a local pressure, and that pressure will travel. Let's say that that pressure. Okay. So the local pressure increase has got traveled here, and then after its a second oscillation, it will create another pressure wave. Okay, and it will keep on creating until it vibrates. Okay, so that's how it has the pressure waves, which we call that as a sound wave. Okay, so now let's say I put a probe or instrument, okay, and I measure what is the pressure at that particular point, how that pressure is changing at that particular point with respect to time. Okay, so if I draw that, okay, if I draw that with respect to time, what is the change in pressure delta p, okay, then at that particular point, then it may something look like this. Oops, maybe I'll put a nice sine wave. Okay, maybe it will keep on changing. Okay, so like this. Okay, so now let's see some terms with respect to this wave. Okay, so let's say I'll take peak to peak. Okay, so peak to peak distance, and that's a single cycle. So it starts from here, and then once again it went there, and then it's being ready for the next cycle. So this is a single cycle. Okay, and the time taken for this single cycle is called time period. Okay, the time taken for the single cycle is called time period. Okay, now um, for a unit of time, how many such cycles have happened? Okay, for a unit of time, for example, per second, how many such cycles have happened? And that's called frequency. Okay, so these things we have already discussed, but I'm just discussing with this picture. Okay, and one more thing I want you guys to notice is this height. Okay, so this height is called, which is amplitude. Okay, so these physical quantities are going to contribute in a way we hear different sounds. So we hear one sound different from another. That's because of these physical properties, and not just these physical properties, and also other physical properties, which we will discuss in detail later. Okay, thank you.